you're hitting that Dolphin Emulator crash, the second Wiimote Emulation kicks in, and we're fixing it right now. This common launch failure is usually a simple configuration conflict or a driver issue. First up, we're diving straight into Dolphin's controller settings to ensure your Wiimote is correctly identified and mapped. Make sure the correct emulation device is selected and that your input profiles are clean. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue often lies in corrupted configuration files. We'll move to method 2 by closing Dolphin completely, finding its settings folder, and deleting that specific input configuration file to force a fresh setup. If you're still seeing the crash, don't worry. The next step involves a clean reinstall, which often resolves deeper software glitches. We'll uninstall Dolphin entirely, download the absolute latest version, and then reconfigure your Wiimote settings from scratch. Finally, if none of those steps resolve the Dolphin emulator crashing on launch, when Wiimote emulation is enabled, we'll troubleshoot your actual Wiimote drivers through Device Manager. This involves uninstalling the Wiimote device and then letting Windows reinstall its drivers, ensuring a clean connection.